One final point. The PM has been calling for accountability from provinces. So I want to ask the PM, what about accountability from your office? The PM's budget for his office and his PIP and his 180 million slush fund totals 548 million this year, Mr. Speaker. The Prime Minister's office will spend more money than 16 of our provinces. Only 6 provinces will spend the same amount as the Prime Minister's office, Mr. Speaker. ECPIC has 700,000 people, and we are looking at a budget of 370 million kina this year. Manus is not going to receive as much money as the PM's office. Most of you here, your provinces are not going to receive. Central will not, West Sepik will not, Medang will not, East New Britain, West New Britain, New Ireland will not, Chimbu, Jiwaka, Western Highlands will not, Western Province will not, Gulf will not, Central, Milne Bay and Oro will not, Mr. Speaker. The Prime Minister needs to lead by example and show what all these monies, over $500 million every year that his office spends, has achieved before he calls for accountability from anyone else. Security with growth, Mr. Speaker. One can also take back PNG, the richest black Christian nation. It sounds like an empty slogan, sadly. These slogans are designed to mask a budget of false assumptions and failed delivery. Our people deserve the truth, Mr. Speaker. They deserve a budget that serves them, not just political fortunes for government cronies. This is not the people's budget. We deserve better. Mr. Speaker, Mibla all member of parliament ibin kisintok gaman lo 2024 budget, the 2025 budget, the now 2026 budget. It is an insult to the intelligence of the members of parliament when the government front bench continues to make promises, big promises in budgets it cannot keep. It makes us all look silly. People outside on the street are laughing at us. And that cannot be the way that we continue to allow this noble work of putting people at the center of our budgets to flounder and fail every year, Mr. Speaker. Let me ask him, you member of parliament, especially colleagues on the government side. You should be holding your front bench to account. No can lari mipla opposition kam na karim heavy pla work lo lug lo country. I mean work blo mipla one and work blo yumi olgata. So I appeal to you, honorable leaders. Think of your people. 16 provinces will receive less money in next year's budget than the Prime Minister's own office. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.